as you can see now, the it's halftime. AH0 is taking us to halftime markets with the draw no bet. All right, which is perfect. Let's try another one. Team First team win should take us to total point head to head, perfectly working. And um, the messages are now, I need to fix them, but you can see that it is red because you came here with point 1.5 and the value changed. Okay, so it's red, not blue. All right, let us try another thing. AH plus point. Now I fixed the problem. There is no empty link anymore. Okay. You came to H2 with 2.5 and there is none of them here. Okay, so it says the data has been changed. Go to other page. Do your work. The data that it's sent by the API is not here. It's not on the page. Right? Um total under again you came here with the total under 146 and there is no total under 146 anymore. Okay, the total points are 44. Now it is coming back, so you can find it now here, right? And it is red. The coloring here need to be fixed. Total over colored, total over colors, total over colors, total over colors. It should be of the points number and the point and the odd and the term and everything should be blue. If not, I guess this one needs to be blued. Alright, includes the odd and includes the other one. So it includes the odd, so here is points number changed. Points number changed. Okay. T points number change, and here it includes the point number, so odd number changed. So just the messages need to a little bit of work, just a little bit, right? So again, we're gonna close everything, close other tabs. I'll give you this simple button to open the API directly, and let's go to total 14.1 now. Total 14.1 should go to team markets. Hold on a bit. Total 14.1 should go to team markets. Right. Okay. I'm gonna fix it now.